Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about the Sweet Scalper bot, auto trading bot, hands-off trading bot. There's only one place that, or actually two places that I helped it, and one was I closed it out early. If I would have closed this thing out every time it got to a level or anything like that, I would have made a lot more money. For instance, this one right here. So if we take this trade right here, the bot closed it out here, but it hit the level that we know is there. And I wanted to close it out, but I didn't because I wanted you all to see that it is hands-free and what it's doing. I would have closed out right here, and just on that one trade, from right here down to right on the line, is $310 each. So that in itself would have been $930. But I didn't. I went ahead and let it close out according to the way the bot trades. I tried to post hands-free because most people don't know how to use things and they want something that's just going to run and make them money. This one right here did $1,200 today. At one time it was up a little bit more. I let it run a little bit more. There's times that I could have taken profit a lot quicker and I didn't. Just like this one right here, it actually did real well, hit the complete target. This one right here, I wanted to take profit down here, but I didn't because I knew this was a zone. And again, hands free. This one, I really would have liked to have just let this thing run all the way up through here and taken the profit right here, but I never. And if I was trading this, I would have allowed it to go up there if I was trading it manually, but I didn't. It's all hands free. This is what people want to see is hands free. This one right here, it closed out on its own. It didn't hit the target, but it was real close. The target was right here, and I didn't take it. Normally, if I was trading this and being manipulating it with my manual trading, I would have taken profit up here. When you get close to a profit target, tighten up your stops, and that's the best way to do. I think that was the last one. Yeah, it was the last trade that it took, and this one right here. Actually, this one right here, I took profit on manually. And it got up here to the balance. I knew that it would probably pull back, so I went ahead and took the profit there, put my stop there, and then I went ahead and let it take the trade here. I wish I would have just turned it off here, but it ended up making more money by the time it got this one. But again, this is hands-free. It did a really good job. On the micros today, it did over 90%, and this one it did 40 some percent. I don't know the exact number, but it's around that. And it did real good. I'm real happy with it. I think anybody that is trading and wants to make money and not really know how to do it, yeah, it's 40%. So if you don't really know how to trade, you can turn this bot on and it will trade for you. Hands free, and you can come out making pretty good money. Once you understand the levels that we have, and these levels are automatic. You put the indicator on the chart and the levels will automatically be there. Levels are different every day, so you need to know what's going on. My levels that I put on here, the indicator updates every 60 seconds. So when you're watching this, if I make a change to level or so forth, it will change on your chart automatically every 60 seconds. So you're up to date within 1 minute of my levels, and that helps you out. Once you understand how to trade to levels, you can make more money because you can understand what's going on more. But if you just want to trade this and let it run, you can see right here, $1,200, and that's run on 3 accounts. So how do you get there? You go to Spy Money LLC, you click on the Ninja Suite. Scroll down here, you click on this Lease Auto Trading Bots and Indicators, and then you can pay for it there. It is a 30-day lease. So if you're not happy after 30 days, you can always cancel. You can cancel anytime and not be charged again. A lot of companies will end up charging you. I know one company is charging $50,000 for their bots. $50,000, that's a lot of money. So this one is $1,300 at the time of this video, $1,300 a month. That's all you pay. You get everything with it. You get all the bots, the indicators, you get the drawing tools, the trade copiers. The bots have trade copiers built in them, so the lag is less than if you use a external trade copier. So it's better. Here's the list of frequently asked questions I get. If you have any other questions, you can contact me. click on the contact us, fill this out. If you need to talk to me, put your phone number in when the best time to contact you. If I can, I'll try to call you then. We also have a VPS. The VPS is a virtual private server. So this will allow you to have a server in Chicago so you get better executions. This will help you a lot more. And you can also trade from your phone or a tablet or any computer. So if you have an office computer and a home computer, you can trade this using that. It works out really well. We have a lot of people on it. I have people that swear they would never not have a VPS again. Once you understand how it works, it's actually easy, and it works like a browser. So if we open this up, this would actually be the screen that it is, and it is almost like a browser on your PC, but it doesn't use it doesn't use much RAM or anything on your own computer. All the RAM and everything is used on the remote server. We also have funded accounts. The funded accounts, we have 4 of them that we offer or recommend. These 4 do a really good job. Any of these 4 will do you pretty good. The only thing you have to do is look down here and see what best fits you. These are based on $100,000 accounts, and the U-Profit is the quickest one to get paid on because it's 5-day evaluation. And then Take Profit and BluSky are 8 days, but you get immediate money. If you make the money, you can take the money. Apex is 7 days, but their payout is in stages. So it'll take you up to 4 months to get all of your money that you've made. So all of them are pretty good. Don't have a problem with any of them. They all have their little quirks. All do a good job though. But if you come back here and look at this, these are the trades it took, and these are actual trades that we run it through the live market, and it did really well. If you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to get you started. Once you get leased, you get immediate access to everything, all the training videos, the Discord, and all that. So let me know if I can help you. You have a great day.